Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin watch to your Garmin Edge device. First, make sure both your watch and Edge are fully charged, ideally to 100%. Next, update the software on both devices to their latest versions to ensure compatibility. Finally, place them close together, within a few feet, for the best connection signal. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing process. Now, let's initiate the pairing. On your Garmin Edge, navigate to the main menu, then select Sensors. From there, choose Add Sensor and then search all to begin scanning for nearby devices. Simultaneously, on your Garmin watch, go into its settings and activate the Broadcast Heart Rate or Broadcast All feature. This makes your watch discoverable to the Edge unit. Once your Edge has scanned, it should display your Garmin watch as an available sensor. Simply select your watch from the list on the Edge device to finalize the pairing. After selection, confirm that data fields, like your real-time heart rate, are now actively appearing on your Edge screen. This visual confirmation ensures a successful and stable connection between your two Garmin units. With your devices successfully connected, your Garmin watch will now broadcast valuable real-time data, such as your heart rate, directly to your Edge. This integration provides a unified and comprehensive view of your performance metrics during any activity. You can now enjoy seamless data sharing, enhancing your training experience with more complete and accessible information right on your Edge display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.